How to fix pull-up for precise seeking on your phone is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also makes it worth its video till the end. First of all, open a Play Store. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on the search bar and type YouTube. Now tap on search at the bottom right corner and tap on YouTube again. Now make sure to update to the latest version. Now scroll down. Now if you have joined beta testing on YouTube, simply switch out of beta testing. Now to switch out, simply exit the program and tap on uninstall. Then reinstall YouTube. Now once you're done, simply go back to the home screen and open up YouTube. Now at the bottom right corner, click on Profile. Now tap on Settings at the bottom right corner. Now scroll down. Now tap on Accessibility. Now enable Accessibility Player. Now tap on Hide Player Controls. Now select after 3 seconds. Now go back to the home screen. Now keep holding the YouTube icon. Tap on App Info. Click on Force Stop. Now go to storage usage and tap on clear data. Now tap on delete. Now open up YouTube again. I hope this should fix it soon. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.